Introducing the 2020 Audi Q2 1.630 TDI 116B horsepower SE, complete with future now pack and wheel upgrade. With a sleek white exterior, luxurious interior and advanced safety features, this vehicle is a must-have. Enjoy comfort features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity and cruise control. Stay safe with collision avoidance braking, daytime running lights and more. Plus, rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Contact us or visit audicork.ie for more information today.